Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing my impressions on Chanel earrings after 18 months of use. But before I begin, if you're new here and if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe, it will mean a world to me. Now let's have a closer look at the earrings. I got this pair as a gift around 18 months ago and I instantly fell in love with them. They are made of champagne gold metal with white pearls on the top and crystal diamantes on the sides. The care instructions I've been given was to make sure not to spray perfume or any sprays near them. Since I've heard about the Chanel earrings' bad reputation, I followed those instructions religiously and thankfully all the pearls are still in place. However, I've lost a few diamantes and from what I have heard, this can be replaced by Chanel. However, my biggest worry is the discoloration that started to show maybe after 12 months here on the edges where metal touches the skin, and this is something I'm not sure if can be restored at all. I didn't try to clean it as I intend to visit Chanel store for advice and stones replacement. Would I buy Chanel earrings again? I definitely would, but in a different design. Something completely made of metal or with enamel on it, so I don't have to worry about loose stones or pearls. I really appreciate how they help elevate the whole look, and my favorite way to combine is with monochrome dark outfits that makes them stand out really nicely. But overall, with this particular model, the quality is bad with visible wear and age. I will insert the photo to show you how they look brand new for comparison. This model is still available to purchase, however, if you still want the design with stone inserts, my recommendation would be to look for those that are clasped into the earring and not stuck with the glue. Overall impression, this is a great buy if chosen wisely, as I've seen some models that haven't aged at all after several years of use. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.